everybody! I am doing my first Petite Vour unboxing. It is a cruelty-free vegan skincare and makeup subscription box. There are a few different vegan and cruelty-free subscription boxes available. This is my first time trying one, and I really liked the idea that it's supposed to be a little bit more high-end products, yet still all being very natural and all that kind of stuff. I believe it was around $30 for this box. It is a monthly box rather than a seasonal box or anything like that. I do have to say, I don't know if it's because it's COVID, I'm gonna have to wait and see what happens, but it did take a very long time for this to get to me. It did take about 5 weeks for it to get to me, which is ridiculous. I already got charged for my second box before I even received my first box. So that I have to say right off the bat I'm not very happy with. But I also know that Canada Post is extremely overwhelmed right now. So maybe once this whole COVID thing starts to loosen up a little bit and maybe things aren't as backed up, that maybe it will start to come quicker. I think I'm gonna do monthly unboxings for this box, and then we can see as time goes by if the shipping gets better once hopefully COVID is not quite as much of an issue. Get into the unboxing. This is my first impressions. I've never opened a box before. I've actually never even had a subscription box before. So this is the review from somebody that is like a complete newbie to subscription boxes. It looks like this. Just has this little PV for Petite Vour. It's very cute. I've got my knife. Cut it open. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. Okay, so it looks like the first thing in the box, Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. This retails for $48. Shield your skin from the elements and pollution with this lightweight daily moisturizer that doubles as a primer for makeup. Amazing. Dry, normal, and combination. Organic seaweed moisturizer hydrates, firms, and protects skin from environmental stressors. Perfect under makeup and sunscreen. Use day and night. Okay. Vegan, gluten-free, no animal testing, external use only. Here we go. Wow. This smells really, really good. This smells so good. Oh, wow. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. The next thing is the Air Active Face Wash. This is $20. Made with African black soap, this cleanser revives skin by exfoliating, minimizing scarring, and bringing breakouts to a halt. So that's good. As a person that does breakout, could use that always. This one looks cool. Like, look at this packaging, right? So Air is a mythical goddess of health and healing who believed in utilizing nature's gift to help sustain wellness between the body, soul, and the spirit. Vegan for all skin types. Shake well before using. I can see that. It's a very interesting, like, I don't know if you've ever seen a cleanser like this before. I haven't. Next is the Juice Beauty Blemish Creaming Serum. It says that it's $15. That makes sense to me. You see this pretty regularly, at least in West Coast of Canada. I live in Victoria in Canada. It's a bit of a hippy-dippy place, so this is a really common serum that I see. Yeah, I'd pay $15 for this. I think that's pretty reasonable. It's big. Like, I have no idea how long this lasts, but this seems like it's a lot of serum, so we'll see how this goes. Reduce breakouts, unclog pores, and even skin tone with this powerful serum packed with willow bark, salicylic acid, and organic fruit acids. It's one of those little squeezy tube ones. Ooh. Oh no, okay. Oh yeah, okay, be careful, it comes out really fast. You can see it's clear, but a little bit orangey. It's definitely like a water-based serum, it feels like. Doesn't really smell like anything, which I like actually. The next thing on the list is the Bliss Soma Refining Clay Renewal Mask. 0.5 of an ounce, $10. Yeah, makes sense to me. I wonder how many masks comes in this mask, like how many times you could use it. Because $10 if it's one use, on the expensive side, you know, but if you get like 5 uses out of it, then that's really good. Draws out impurities, refines skin texture, improves hydration while treating and preventing breakouts. I am a little bit nervous to use a clay mask just because I do have dry skin and sometimes it can be too much, but it does say it's improving hydration, so maybe it won't be too drying. Okay, I will definitely have to try this out. Next we have the Seaweed Bath Company. Firming Detox Body Cream. See, this is only $4. Detoxifying cream is rich with skin-plumping coffee, green tea extract, and moisturizing hyaluronic acid. Awaken with rosemary and mint is the smell. Oh, it's Leaping Bunny certified. Natural ingredients, Maine seaweed, gluten-free, paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. Water is the main ingredient. Oh, you know what I love? This is a seaweed cream, and the second ingredient is seaweed. You see so many where they're like something else, and then that ingredient is all the way down the list. And I don't know if this is just a tip for anybody that doesn't know how the ingredients lists work. The most concentrated ingredient is at the top. So if something says like with something and you see it all the way at the bottom of the ingredients list, it means that there's very little in there and it's probably not worth it, or even honestly doing anything if it's the very last ingredient, right? You know? So first ingredient is water, which is fair, and then the seaweed, which is the second ingredient. Oh, this one also has chamomile in it. I bet it also smells really good. This is really different from the other one. The other one was really light. This one is thick. This, I feel like, there you can see it's thick cream consistency. Oh wow. Oh, that smells really good. Oh yeah, that smells really good. See, I'm in a constant confliction between, you know, perfumes not being good for your skin and all that kind of stuff versus like, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. Ah, love it. And then last but not least is this Andalou Naturals Citrus Sunflower Shower Gel, $3. That makes sense to me. This is a pretty cheap brand and this is a pretty small one. I imagine this is maybe like a travel size or like a just try this out, see if you like it before you buy the full thing sort of size. Rosehip and argan oils with a boost of coconut water and aloe vera to cleanse and hydrate the skin. 50 milliliters. I like it. Okay, well that's everything in the box. I have to say I'm very pleased with it so far. I got a lot of products here. If you just think about the fact that I only paid about $30 for the box, and this protection cream itself is $48, and honestly I don't feel like that's too much inflation. I've seen this in stores and this is expensive, so even just the fact that I just got this, it's worth it already. And I'm really, really excited about this detox cream, this one, and I'm really excited to try this just because it's so weird and different. I haven't seen anything like it before. I have no idea what was it, African black soap is. I am very happy with this box and how it turned out. I'm very excited to try all of these new things. I'm all of a sudden not nearly as upset about it taking so long to get to me because I have so many nice new cool things to try now. I'm really looking forward to my next box. I'm really impressed with the quality of the items. I have never done a subscription box before, and I honestly didn't expect so many full-size products. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert clips of me trying the different skincare little bits in box. So I'll try the shower gel and the soap in my shower tonight. Welcome to my shower! Didn't even have time to dinner. So funny, I'm so funny. Trying out face wash. I always scrub my face, wash my face in the shower. So here it goes. Here we go. Pump, pump. Did 2 pumps. It's vaguely foamy, but also not really foamy. It kind of looks like, I don't know. It doesn't look good. Somebody else get their face wet like that? Just sort of like, that's what I do. It smells so good. This smells absolutely amazing. Oh, wow. Wow. Like, genuinely wow. It smells like better than any face wash I've ever used. Heaven is what it smells like. Feels clean. Smells really good. That's about it. Next, body wash. Just gonna put some of the moisturizer on. Shower gel in here. Smells really good. Shower. Yes. Soaping. Yes. Works like shower gel. Smells really good. Okay. Well, that was everything that I need to be wet for. That's not what I meant. This is everything that I need to see in the running water for. So therefore, I will see you in a minute. Okay, I'm all dried off now. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of the seaweed firming detox cream with green coffee bean extract. So I don't really know what that's supposed to do, to be honest. I know that there is some claims about coffee bean and cellulite. I don't know anything about the actual efficacy of that, but it smells really good. It seems quite moisturizing. I'm enjoying it so far. Cream smells really nice, gotta say. You probably can't actually really see what I'm doing because yeah, I can't really show you my full body unless you want to go to my OnlyFans. It's the same username as I am everywhere, page_WLLS. Don't expect pornography, but if you like fine art nude photography, check out my OnlyFans, yo. It's a lot of fun. So in general, I would say I would give it a thumbs up so far. I really enjoyed this box. I'm excited to see what my next box looks like. I hope it has just as many exciting products as this one. I'm making more videos on a regular basis again, especially if you want to subscribe. I do have an upcoming trip with some travel vlogs coming. You're gonna get some behind the scenes of like what it's like to be on set. That combined with skincare, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff. Stick around. Love you guys. Bye.